Hi, this is a pure video I want to explain concerning the Q zone. So in the Q zone, you have to understand that you need to make sure you understand the structure, the time session. I need to wait for break of structure, or you wait for the supply and demand. So in the Asian session, we have the 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. The London session, we have 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The New York session, we have 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Sometimes it changes. Now, what is the market structure, or what is the structure that you see in this kind of trade, okay, during this trading session? All right, take note that we're talking about Q zones here. So in the Asian session, in Forex, not commodities now, in Forex, there's high tendency for you to see higher highs and lower lows. What I mean is like the support and resistance are going to be maintained in this period. So you have the swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. And this happened in Forex, right? And when you move, or when the time for the London session is about to come in, we have something like this to the top side, and we have a little liquidity sweep, then uptrend a bit, coming down, taking it up like this. So this is the trend you kind of have during the London session. And in the New York session, you have another buy a little bit and distribute to the bottom. So this pattern or this structure is called the AMD, which is the accumulation, the manipulation, and the distribution. Okay, so you need to understand the AMD with the Asian time, the London time, and the New York time. It always happens during the trading market, okay, or during the trading session in the previous video. So the first thing I need to do is I need to make sure that I show you what you need to understand by the support and resistance, so that we can figure out our the equal highs and equal lows in the support and resistance trend. So using the this chart here, you can see this trend is continuing this way. Okay, so I can equally say this is a pure accumulation trend, okay? Asian session. Okay, so from this trend here where it stops, okay, let me take it from here. Then we have a little higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, up to this point. Okay, so I need to use like a vertical line to differentiate. Okay, stop at this point. So I'm gonna label this manipulation. Take notes, the trade is British pounds and USD. Okay, this is the London session, right? This is the London session, and I told you the London session starts from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., right? And the Asian session starts from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay? So now the next thing, or the next part, is the distribution. It distributes from this point here down to the end here. Okay, so this last session is a distribution, okay, which is a New York session. Okay, and this New York session is from 2 p.m. Sometimes it changes, okay, due to the daylight saving time. So, well, most of the time it's 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. So this is basically what the Q zone is. The Q zone, you need to wait for the break of structure, you need to wait for the trend to continue, you need to wait for the trend to stop. All right, so let me give you the glimpse of like the setups and what you need to understand. The first thing is market structure, right? We have the accumulation trend, which is the continuation of the trend, meeting at each point, at the reversal point and also at the retracement point. So look at this point here and the other one here. You can see they are kind of equal. So we have equal highs and equal lows at same interval, at same time frame, which is the Asian session, right? So we have another one at this point here. Okay, this is a trend. This is a continuation trend, right? The accumulation. And the London sessions get in and we saw higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low. Okay, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Okay, that is the market structure. Now you need to take note of the time session as well. This is the time 12 a.m. to 9 p.m. This is the time 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is the time 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Okay, so you need to wait for the break of structure. You need to wait for the break of trend. You need to wait for the breakouts, false breakouts. This is a false breakout. This right here is a false breakout. Okay, this right here is a false breakout. False breakout is like to deceive you that the trend is going to continue, not knowing that the trend just wants to pick up the liquidity. Okay, just want to pick up the liquidity and boom to the upside. Okay, you have false breakout. You need to understand what the false breakout is. You need to understand what the supply and demand is. Okay, when you are the downtrend, right? Let's like you are currently at the trend here. Okay, currently at the trend here. So this is your demand zone. Okay, this is your demand zone. The demand zone is where you buy from to the upside. Okay, the supply zone is where you sell from to the downside. Okay, you need to know the demand zone. The demand zone goes with the false breakout, goes with the time zone, goes with when the orders are filled for the sell. Okay, then you need to take note of, okay, am I using the other blocks? Am I using liquidity? Am I using fair value gaps? Or what technique or what strategy am I using that I can mix up with it to know that this is the demand zone? Okay, the time will tell you, the trend will tell you, the structure is going to tell you. Okay, and breakout or supply and demand is also going to tell you that, okay, this is time for me to buy or this is time for me to sell. If you understand the time, the trend at that time, right, and you understand that, okay, the candle is like a bearish engulfing or a bearish piercing line or something, hammer line or whatever, you need to understand those candlesticks. Okay, those are the patterns or those are the charts style that's going to like give you the adequate entry format that you need to know for a good setup. Okay, thank you for your time. See you next time.